a slope map. So first you're going to have your DEM. I have my DEM right here. So this is a Baitbush DEM which I've reprojected to a projected coordinate system, as you can see. So from here what we're going to do is we're going to go to Raster, go to analysis, go to slope. This tab appears. Here's the DEM that I want to analyze. Okay, I'm not going to change anything here. Then save the file. Did another one. I'd like to replace this one. Okay, run. Okay, so from here what I can do is apply super color. Let me just say 5. I'm just going to need 5. First and foremost, okay, let's take this one. Take this one. This one. Take this one. And then this one is this dark color. Okay, let's apply. Okay. So another thing that we're going to do is to make this one a hillshade. So here what we're going to do is to apply the scale 0 to So